This plant is called Phaulopsis. That is Phaulopsis, Phaulopsis imbricata. And this one, this Phaulopsis imbricata, it's a wetland plant, in the sense it occurs in moist places. And in it occurs from Africa, northern Africa, eastern Africa, and then Asia also. In India, there are some, I think some 3 or 4 of these Phaulopsis may be there. They have some small variations in the shape and all. And the noticeable thing about this plant is these flowers are coming in this type of funny type of bracts, where one side is having leaves, proper leaves, and the other side has these flowering structures. Then this particular one is growing on a wall, wet wall, that is. I think on the other side of the wall there may be a pipe or something, some liquid may be draining into the wall. And then towards the end of the monsoon, it starts flowering, and these tiny white flowers are there. Then it has 1 or 2 peculiar features. That is, the leaves are, one leaf is larger and one is smaller. You see these leaves, one leaf on one side it's larger and other side is smaller. That's one thing. Then second noticeable feature is, on one side the flowering happens, and the other side the leaves are there. And then apart from that, these tender shoots are edible, it seems, and fodder also. In the good wetlands, if they are well, plenty of them growing lush and nice. This location is not nice because it's a stone wall and some little crevices are there from which it's growing. But in a good location like a paddy field border and all, it can come very lush and nice and quite tall also. And it has a basic shape is spreading, and also it climbs up vertically, I mean stands up vertically in a good location. Then I've seen this plant in few different locations. This one is convenient for photographing and videography, so I have taken this one. This flower is very attractive. You can see little white flowers. Particularly that bract is a very interesting feature. That is this one, and you can get a size of the idea by looking at my finger. Flower may be about 1 or 2 mm only, and it can be a perennial also, it seems, though I have never grown it before. So that's how it looks. And we'll see 1 or 2 more plants and then I'll close this video. There's one more plant here. There. So this one, that's the plant, and then this hanging, it's kind of drooping downwards, rest of the plant. And now it's the end of the season, the last of the Leaves and all will dry up after the flowering. Seed will be produced, and then it will go dormant till next monsoon. Then among the 3 or 4 that are there, it's also called Himalayan ruella, another name of this one. And some 3 or 4 species are there, minor variations. So, which I am not able to make out, but definitely this is that Phaulopsis, and it's worth growing in balconies and all. I think it will do very well. It's, though it has not entered the garden trade, and gardeners have missed out this plant, beautiful plant. Seems to be non-demanding, and also I couldn't see a single video on this plant in the YouTube also, so probably mine is the first one. So that's how it goes. So it's a herb in Africa and all. It's used as a herb. It's edible also. The fresh leaves. It's also fodder. Then its unusual look is there. So all in all, I think it's a very beautiful plant and worth for these rare plant collectors and people who are advanced gardeners should definitely try this plant out. Little thing, it's worth. It can even be probably hung up from balconies and all.